In the following video, we will show the features and the functions of the QR LED signaling hand lamp. The QR LED signaling hand lamp has two push buttons, left and right. Making a short press on the left push button, the light will switch on. With the light switched on, if you make a long press on the left push button, it will start in the different light power levels, starting with low, medium, high. To switch off the light, make a long push. With the light switched off, if you make a long press on the push button, you will start going to the flashing modes, starting with SOS signal, flashing, and strobo or light bursts. To switch off the light, make a long press. Make a short press on the right push button to activate the color signaling, and the front signaling will be activated. Another short press will pass through all the colors and through the rear signaling. If you make a long press on the right push button, it will go to flashing mode. A short press will switch the lamp off. All these functions are standard, but can be modified upon request. The QR3 model has the same functions and features as the other QR hand lamps, with the exception of the central LED, which can be changed in different colors. Make a short press to light up the lamp, and with the right push button, you can change the colors of the central LED. A long press to switch off the light. These hand lamps can be ordered with a different color of housing, being black, red, yellow, or blue. Besides, they are watertight IP67. That means they can be immersed in water up to 1 meter during 30 minutes. And they can even float. The resistance of these hand lamps are very high. It's IK08. The hand lamps have a support which allows it to be hands-free. Place it on the floor and you can make a work light, or hang it on a hook. The usage temperature of the hand lamps is between -10 and 50 degrees Celsius. The QR signaling hand lamp needs an external charger to recharge its battery. This charger can be adapted to any power supply, AC or DC. Switching on the lamp, you put it in the charger and it will automatically switch off. If you lift it up again, it will automatically switch on for 3 minutes. If you want to keep it switched on, push the left push button short. In case of a power cut, the lamp will switch on automatically for 3 minutes. If the power comes back, the lamp will switch off. The lamp has a battery indicator on top, which is now flashing green. That means it's fully loaded. It can also be green, orange or red. Red means only 20% of battery left. To fix the hand lamp in the charger and allow wall mounting or stabilization during movements in a vehicle, an optional mechanical clamp can be ordered. For further information, please visit our website luznor.com.